In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Michaels promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser, it can be Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. Then go to google.com and in the search box enter Michaels promo code. It moves you to that web page where you can scroll down and find a lot of websites that contains promo codes. You can open up any of that websites, and on that site, as you can see, I can find 20 different promo codes. I can scroll down to see them all, but usually the best offers you can find on the very top. So, for example, with that promo code I can get 20% off. I can hit there at more details to get some more additional information, and also I can hit at show coupon to see the promo code. Now here I can hit on that icon to copy that promo code to my clipboard, and also here I can tap at get coupon to move to michaels.com, and there you can make purchases and buy their stuff. And once you are ready to pay, just don't forget to enter the promo code and double check if the promo code is available. If for some reason promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site or to another website and from here try to use another promo code. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.